In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to return a book on Audible Canada. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Audible account on the website through Safari. You can't purchase books in the app like you can on Android. Here are the membership benefits. As you can see, the last one says that you can easily return a book at any time. This is my library, still in Safari. If I was on the US site, I would see a return link at the top of the page. It's not there. That's because in Audible Canada, you have to go to your purchase history, which is inside your account details. To get there, tap the account details from the top of the screen. Tap Purchase History and you'll see all of your recent orders. To go further back in time, change the number of days in the drop-down box at the top of this screen. Why would you want to return a book? You might want to return a book if you find you don't like it, if you bought it by mistake, or if there's a problem with it. To return a book, tap the Return button. As you can see, I've returned several books that I've ordered. Tap the Return button. Then, provide a reason why you're returning the book. In this case, I didn't really like the book. Once you do that, tap Return. And in a few seconds, you'll get a confirmation that says you've returned the book. In this case, private number 1 suspect. If you purchase the book with a credit, you'll get the credit back immediately. All you have to do is refresh the page. If you purchase the book without a credit, it will take 7 to 10 business days for the price of the book to be added back onto your account. You can return any book you purchase as long as it's within 1 year of the date when you originally purchased it. Usually they'll let you return a book more easily if you've purchased it with a credit. If you've paid for a book, you may need to speak to someone from customer service to return it. I suspect this is because they actually have to refund the money.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.